Time there. Okay, this is car consultant, Richard Spell Driving Academy, and I have with me here
25.
Okay, alright. So I have with me here Paul, and this is Paul's first time using the manual car, and behind me is also Kofi. So, okay, now it's raining, and we are somewhere getting to Ayed.
The Benz in the cave, my correct.
Oh, yeah.
Nitzenberg Road.
Nitzenberg Road. That's all why you know, if you are certain look at that's all. Now, but not some special lane mobile. Okay, now in class, in case in Suruta, be visible. It's in the Asian light. On the beams of so on the beams of so on the. So, okay, so now, manual car, anytime you slow down, they slow gear down. I realize that a slow down gets the baby clutch and as a turn going. I think good yes. Doing a general to me, was my manual. At one point, I said, feel can you first better clutch now bring the engine under control. Never braking for count gently. That's all. Yeah, hit I say. And today no good, no a change. What's me that but first but not second. Now top bar you not top bar you I only see no. Then you not no. Top bar you not clutch. And already now the car is in motion. Into I meant to accelerate on the cassette. You not clutch no. Cra 9. Not top back control. Now, she winning about no I had a pan in yet into my mountain Muntutum. For taxi, I'm not a bonnet to put on him. Okay, yeah, for the side. It's an indicator. Then the road and road in the air. But the end them no Branchenka Kade. Alright. Now, Toba. Now, position ye. Position. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, Mama clutching this evil. Okay, let's go. Show me the lane in the free answer. Now the speed limit engine news you can say. So that means spotted. Nice. Okay, for which the petrol man. What's your making? Gently. Keep going. Now I'm the speed up him, Now top of 4 because engine news you can say. Outside catch a can for more speed. That's all. Now instructor and who enemy that means I'm reduce my speed. Precaution. Because they don't know enemy until they reduce the speed to be more visible, to see well. Okay, and see what to do the man because they don't know enemy. Alright, so this is Paul's first time and we are now on the main road. I do anaji toba gently. Okay, let's go. Okay. And you try to be show learning. Wahaya na yedroko. This is lane discipline in a highway area. Now let's go. Eric, no way. Gently. It is also another good how to drive in the rain. So pinching your eyes to see the road. And I had an anchor you are likely to experience hydroplane or aquaplane. That is when you are going on a maybe top speed. I don't want to give you a number, maybe a day, another day. Okay, good speed I look with you, or okay, because they focus more on the road. Okay.
This is our best support.
Provided the order for 14 speed. Every gear be on the maximum and the minimum speed. And he said, and if I could only there permanent, some complain about Yes, I pay my own plan, but him and Pedal Madden. This is so when you start to increase the speed now, engine goes to say that means of the fifth, 9. Now, or release the speed now, about engine rack, and that means for 10 for lower gear. Yes, the back for the speed of pedal, I have reached on country. Okay, so far so good. Top bar, Wilson on one, top bar, Tishania, top bar, okay, alright, so far so good. Alright.
Now look at when the car is already in motion, oh no, I can't be
when the car is already in motion and yet a change here, the unit clutch, but just stop by unit clutch in it. Don't just boom. No. Stop by a car. I'm the increase with speed. It's a one handle. Focus in through. And when time speed in your though, you know, okay, coffee, this is a question.
Hey, you are not like before emotion, or my car would kill on a cat on top.
You have a move first now.
So, all the sun, you know. That's all the break now, but press clutch and so.
Oh, yeah, enjoy. So I've got clutch and call Jibodu. Okay, alright. So that is called Blue Waters Hotel, heading towards Alright. So, let him the man.